Hello everyone, in this video I'll be reviewing the Lindt Bear Bites. Milk chocolate with a crispy center. I saw these on sale after the holiday season, and we gotta do a review on these because one is Lindt, and Lindt chocolates are great, and two, I like discounted chocolate, discounted food. Always tastes a little bit better. So Lindt and Sprungly. Fine milk chocolate with a crispy center, sugar, cocoa butter, milk. Crispy center, which is made from rice flour, corn flour, sugar. There's artificial flavors. Per 25 pieces, holy, that's a lot. 25 pieces or 40 grams, there's 200 calories, 11 grams of fat, 24 grams of carbohydrates with 1 fiber and 21 sugar, and 3 grams of protein. So, please keep cool to preserve quality. With a crispy center, I'm excited to try these little bear bites out. Let me get right into this. I've actually never seen these before. I saw them and I was like, that's different. Let's go with that. It's only like $3 for this. I will take it. Ooh, smells like Lindt. 25 pieces for 200 calories. That seems like too good to be true. Here's a little chocolate ball. Okay, I see why. They're kind of airy. They have like chocolate coating, but then they're crunchy. Bear bites. Ooh. Lindt chocolate is really good. With the crunchiness on the inside, it feels more like a, I would say like Kinder chocolate. I don't know. Tastes similar to Kinder, like Surprise. That kind of chocolate. Not sure why. These are good though. Let's see if I can show you the inside. So there's not a huge layer of chocolate in it. It's like pretty small, but it gets the job done. These are really good. I don't want to stop eating them. I'll have these last two though, and I'll give my review. I really like the chocolate in that. It tastes like the normal Lindt chocolate, but with the crispiness on the inside, it almost transforms the flavor altogether. As I said, it reminds me kind of like a Kinder Surprise. That's cool. So I'm going to give the Lindt Bear Bites an 8 out of 10. A little bit of chocolate, a little bit of crunch, and seemingly low calories. 25 of these for 200 calories. I'll take that. So, my favorite part about it is the flavor of the chocolate. Lindt chocolates are always good. This one, even though it's crispy rice piece on the inside, it's still extremely good. So, go check it out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And I'll see you in the next video.